Hello everyone, it's Zijing here. Welcome back to my channel for another monthly book recommendations. In today's video, we will dive into the fascinating world of time management, and I will share a Chinese book that has redefined my perspective on this subject. This video is not about reviewing the well-known techniques like prioritizing tasks or using the Pomodoro clocks. We're actually steering away from these tricks and tips that you can find in countless videos and articles. Instead, I will share the 2 B's that I summarized from reading this book that has revolutionized my understanding on time management and finding fulfillment and satisfaction. While this book is originally written in Chinese, this video will serve as your gateway to its core insights. At the year-end timeframe, let this exploration fuel inspirations for new ideas in your upcoming New Year resolution. So, without further ado, let's dive into the pages of the captivating Time Has 5 Colors by Xiaoyi and unlock the secrets that will promise to reshape your relationship with time. The core goal of time management is to gain a sense of control over time that will allow us to savor life in a way that aligns with our preferences. To achieve this goal, Xiaoyi emphasizes on the importance of tracking where you have spent your time on before you can find ways to improve upon it. In order to better log time, she characterized time into 5 colors, and each color represents a different aspect of our lives. It's a brilliant way to organize and visualize our time effectively. Now let's explore the 5 colors that paint the canvas of our lives. The first color is blue, which signifies the time that we devoted into learning, whether it's diving into a book or embracing new skills. Blue is the time that we spend on personal growth. The second color is red. Ignited by the color fire, red represents the time that you spend on your passions. Whether it's your work, a side hustle, or pursuits towards your life goals, this is where your flames burn bright. The third color is green. In the shade of life, green encompasses the time dedicated to nurture yourself, be it sweating it out in the gym, initiating a cozy reading session, or crafting a wholesome meal at home. This is the color that fortifies your well-being. The fourth color is yellow, reflecting the color of soil. Yellow captures the moment we investing in love. From connecting with your family through phone calls or video chats, to traversing the world with your friends or families, yellow is the color that adds warmth to a relationship. Finally, the color of white, symbolizing blankness, is your buffer. This is the time that you set aside for planning, reflection, or merely adding flexibility into your schedule to ensure that your schedule is not intimidating or too rigid. As we're decoding the colors of time, what I benefit the most is the 2 B's that I extract from the color classification. The first B stands for balance. Xiaoyi mentioned in her book that we will find true happiness when we see blue plus green equals to red plus yellow. Here, the balance emphasizes the importance of balancing input and output. Blue stands for the inputs that we absorb knowledge and learning new skills at work or from school. And green stands for the input in life that we nurture our minds and bodies. So that's the input side. For the output side, Red stands for our output at work, like making presentations or writing a report. And yellow stands for output in life, where we give love to those around us. The magic happens when the scales find equilibrium between the input and output. The balance is the key to fulfillment. Without sufficient input, it's very challenging to produce meaningful output. For instance, attempting to produce impactful work without acquiring the necessary skills can lead to frustration. Conversely, only focusing on input without completing the output will make us feel incomplete. Based on my own personal experience, I have learned that simply racing through finishing books without reflecting on what's the main takeaway and what's the lesson I've learned can leave a void, as if the knowledge were never fully absorbed. When learning new skills in fields like data science, the importance of learning by doing can never be overstated. Only listening to lectures or reading the codes will not move you forward as effectively as getting your hands dirty with some real-life projects. Another important aspect in terms of balance is work-life balance. Imagine the colors of blue and red dominating your canvas, while yellow and green are mere whispers, a sign that work has overshadowed your life in your time spectrum. Besides making work plans, we should also make leisure plans, like places to visit, books to read, movies to watch, etc. If we put too much time at work, we are heading towards burnout. In the meantime, if we put too much time on life, we might still feel void or unfulfilled. In the book Happier, Learn the Secrets to Daily Joy and Lasting Fulfillment, written by Taban Shah, the author mentioned the true happiness lies in the balance of meaning, pleasure, and strength, short for MPS. My interpretation of the MPS is that work contributes to meaning and life infuses pleasure. However, the magic happens when we embrace work-life balance, which is the force that provides us with strength. Now we have talked about the first B, balance. Let's move to the importance of the only color that we haven't discussed in detail, which is white. That also leads us to the other B, buffer. Buffer emphasizes the flexibility and sustainability of our plans. Life is unpredictable. Plans always need to be modified due to unexpected events or shifts in priorities. If your plan is too rigid, it's actually counterproductive because it can easily lead us to the extreme mindset that if I fail to follow my morning plan, might as well skip the afternoon plan. Having some buffer zones allows us to navigate better through the uncertainties. Beyond its role on flexibility, the buffer also provides us a valuable window for reflection and planning. Regular check-ins helps us evaluate our daily, weekly, or monthly progress. Are our inputs and outputs balanced? Are there harmony between work and life? Taking a moment to access our feelings towards our routines will help us pinpoint areas for improvement. If productivity wins, what might be the cause? If happiness is elusive, what activities can we add to boost joy? If we struggle to adhere to our plans, perhaps it's a sign to infuse more flexibility to ensure seamless time management. As we wrap up, I will leave you with a profound quote. Happiness is not just about reaching the summit in a hurry, but savoring every experience and emotion during the climb. It's about respecting our life's core values, finding our true purposes, and unleash our potentials. So, as we embark on our New Year resolutions, let's strive for that dynamic balance and leniency towards ourselves. Make your calendar colorful and enjoying every moment of your life. Thanks for joining me on this exploration on time management wisdom. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and turn on that notification bell. Until next time, here's to unlocking the true colors of your time. Bye, see you next time.